Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to create online registration form using Google Docs. If you've ever found yourself in need of an efficient way to collect essential information from participants for an upcoming event, then you're in the right place. Google Forms is an incredibly useful tool for doing just that. Not only does it streamline the process, but it also ensures you gather the right data in an organized manner. Let's get started and delve into how you can create your own online registration form using Google Docs. First things first, open up your web browser and type in docs.google.com/forms. This is the gateway to creating your form. If you aren't already logged in, make sure to sign in using your Google or Gmail account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Forms homepage. Here, you have the choice to either use an existing form or start fresh. For today, we'll be creating a brand new form from scratch to give you the full experience. The initial step in creating your form is to set the title. This is crucial because it informs your respondents about what the form pertains to. Simply click on the default title area and replace it with the name of your event. For instance, if you're organizing a tech conference, you would type 2023 Tech Innovators Conference. Right below the title, you should add important details about the event, such as the date and time. This ensures there's no ambiguity about when your event is happening. Next up, we need to start adding questions to our form. You'll notice a little plus sign on the right-hand side of your screen. Click on it to add your first question. A good starting point is to ask for email addresses. This is vital for sending updates and confirmations to your participants. When you add this question, be sure to change the question type from multiple choice to short answer. This way, participants can input their specific email addresses. It's also important to make this a required field, which you can do by toggling the switch at the bottom of the question box. This prevents anyone from skipping over this crucial information. After setting up the email question, the next logical step is to ask for the first names of your participants. Instead of creating a new question from scratch, you can easily duplicate the email question by clicking on the duplicate icon in the toolbar. Change the question text to first name, and again, make sure it's marked as required. Consistency is key, so once you've got the first name question set up, duplicate it for the last name. This helps maintain a professional and neat layout for your form. To collect demographic details, you might want to add a question about gender. This time, utilize the multiple choice format. You can enter options such as male, female, and non-binary. You can tailor your form to suit your needs by adding additional questions to gather any specific information you might require. Before you finalize everything, it's crucial to preview your form to ensure it appears and functions exactly as you intend. To do this, click the eye icon located at the top of the form editor. This gives you a preview of what your respondents will see when they fill out your form. And there you have it. A straightforward yet comprehensive guide to creating an online registration form using Google Forms. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to collecting all the important information you need with ease and professionalism. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to create online registration form using Google Docs. If you want more videos like how to create online registration form using Google Docs, subscribe to our channel PMN Online.